sun's out, and there's one cloud in the sky. But it's really nice out here on the beach. I went for a little run, dipped my toes in the water, and had a great time. I'm heading back to the hotel now to edit up some video, get my fishing stuff ready for tonight. Fishing out here a little bit, and I caught, this is my third one. It seems to be some sort of catfish. That's what it looks like to me, at least, just because of what I'm familiar with freshwater. This is insane. This is my third one. These guys put up a heck of a fight, though, I must say. Let's get the hook out and release them. Another one. Nice fish. Looks to be about the same size. Let's go ahead and get the hook out. Let's release him. Fish number 4. Okay guys, so that was fish number 4. I know I don't have them all on video, but that is fish number 4. And it's late at night, so it's really hard to film this, but I'm trying my best. We'll see if I can catch it more before it gets too late. So I gotta edit up the rest of this video and post it, and that should take quite a long time with the hotel scene. So, see you guys then.